Hello student, this is Pratibha Singh again with you. Student, in previous video we have completed model auxiliaries. Now in this video we will start our new topic, that is direct indirect speech. It is also known as narration. Student, there is two ways in which a person can convey his or her message or say the words spoken by another person. Student, there are two ways of conveying message. First is direct speech and second one is indirect speech. Have a look direct and indirect speech in detail. Narration, reported speech. Reported speech. Speech has divided in two parts. First is direct speech. Direct speech. And second one is indirect speech. Indirect speech. Have a look what is direct speech. When the exact word used by speaker are reproduced. It is called direct speech. It is called direct speech. Have a look again. It is called direct speech. Now have a look what is indirect speech. When the meaning of speech conveyed in the reporter's words. It is called indirect speech. It is called indirect speech. Have a look again. Your direct, indirect or reported speech is divided in two parts. First is direct speech and second one is indirect speech. Now have a look what is direct speech. When exact words used by speaker, when actual dialogue of speaker are reproduced, दोबारा बताए जाएं बिल्कुल उसी डायलॉग में जैसे कि उसने बोला है, it is called direct speech. For example, Ram said, inverted comma, I go to market. अगर यही डायरेक्ट राम ने जैसा कहा वैसा ही बता दी जाए तो वो डायरेक्ट स्पीच है. एंड indirect speech, when the meaning of the speech conveyed in the reporter's word, it is called indirect speech. जब कोई भी वर्ड्स जो कि किसी ने बोले हैं वो रिपोर्टर्स अपने वर्ड्स में बताए कि राम कह रहा था कि वह बाजार जाएगा. अगर एक्चुअल वर्ड्स में बताया जाएगा तो राम कह रहा था कि मैं बाजार जाऊंगा, मतलब डायरेक्ट उसके ही सेंटेंस. और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में जो रिपोर्टर होता है वो कन्वे कर लेता है, कन्वर्ट कर लेता है उन वर्ड्स को, एक्चुअल वर्ड्स को अपने वर्ड्स में. मीन्स राम कह रहा था कि वह बाजार जाएगा. For example, he said to me, he said to me, comma, inverted comma, I am not feeling well. He said to me, I am not feeling well. Have a look the example. Here, he said to me, I am not feeling well. It is the exact word, उसके exact word जैसे उसने बोले हैं वही words है. Now have a look the example of indirect speech. He told. Said to will be changed into told. He told me that, then remove inverted comma, that he told me that he was not feeling well. He was not feeling well. Full stop. So look the difference in direct and indirect speech again. When the exact word of a speaker is reproduced, it is called direct speech. जब एक्चुअल वर्ड जो स्पीकर ने बोले हैं वही वर्ड्स यूज किए जाएं, दोबारा से बताए जाएं, तो वो डायरेक्ट स्पीच है. जैसे कि राम सेड आई एम गोइंग टू स्कूल, तो यही बात अगर डायरेक्टली कही जाए, राम ने कहा कि मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ, तो वो डायरेक्ट स्पीच है. हैव अ लुक इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. व्हेन द मीनिंग ऑफ स्पीच कन्वेड इन रिपोर्टर्स वर्ड, it is called indirect speech. For example, Ram said that he was going to school. Now we will learn the rules for change the tense for changing direct speech into indirect speech. Number 1, simple present tense. Simple present tense will be when we will change our direct speech into indirect speech. Now, simple present tense will be changed into simple past tense. Change into simple past tense. Simple past tense. Now, second one is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense will be changed into past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Present perfect. Now third one is present perfect change into past perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Perfect tense will be changed into past perfect. Past perfect tense. Perfect tense. Now next one is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous tense. tense. Now next is number 5, simple past. Simple past tense. Simple past will be changed into past perfect. Past perfect tense. Tense. And next one is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense will be changed into past perfect. Past perfect continuous tense. Continuous tense. Now next is future. Simple future. Simple future. Simple future is conditional. Conditional means will be changed into words. Will change into word. Now sixth one is future continuous. Future continuous. Future continuous, it is also conditional. Conditional will be changed into would. Student, note down these things in your copy because this is very beneficial for that time when you will change your direct speech into indirect speech. I will look some exceptions also. Exceptions means apavad. In which condition your reported speech will not change. Number 1, if there is a universal truth. Universal truth or habitual fact. The tense of verb. The tense of verb. The reported speech. In the reported speech does not change. Does not change. If there is a universal truth or habitual fact, the tense of verb in the reported speech does not change. तब वो change नहीं होगा. For example, she said. She said, comma, inverted comma, earth is round in shape. Round in shape. Inverted comma, close. So, when will we change this statement in indirect speech? There will be, the verb will be not change. That earth is round in shape. Full stop. Number 2, the tense of reported speech does not change if the reported speech a past historical fact. If there is a past historical fact, so the tense of reported speech does not change. For example, he said, comma, inverted comma, Indians we came free on 15 August 1947. So there is a past historical fact, that's why the tense will not change. He said that, then we will repeat the sentence. Indians we came free on 15th August 1947. I hope you have understand these two facts. Means if there is universal truth, habitual fact or past historical fact, so the tense of reported speech will not change. If the reported speech state two actions that took place at the same time, the simple past or past progressive or past continuous. Past continuous. In it is not changed. Have a look again. If reported speech state two action, if there is two action that took place at same time, simple past tense. Simple past tense and past progressive or past continuous tense, in it is not changed. अगर उसमें एक साथ दो एक्शंस हो रहे हैं और पास्ट सिंपल पास्ट टेंस है और पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस है तो चेंज नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, she said, comma, inverted comma, Mohan was reading newspaper while Rohit was polishing shoes. Inverted comma close. Have a look. There are two actions. Means reading newspaper and polishing shoes. And this is past continuous tense, so there will be not change, and we will write down she said that Mohan was reading newspaper while Rohit was polishing shoes. I hope you have understood. Now we will learn rules for changing pronouns in indirect speech. I hope you have understood. Now we will learn rules for changes pronoun. Rule number 1. First person changes according to the subject. According to the subject. Subject means doer of the work, doer of the task. Now second person means you. First person I or we. Second person changes according to the object and third person does not change. Means he, she, they will not change. Third person does not change. First person changes according to subject, second person changes according to object, and third person will not change. Remember. Remember, first person, second person and third person will be changed according to subject. Second person will change according to object, and third person does not change. Okay? Nearness change into distance. Now this will be changed into that. These will be changed into those. Now will be changed into then. THEN, then. Here will be changed into there. Thus will be changed into so. Today will be changed into that day. That day. Tonight will be changed into that night. That night. Tomorrow will be changed into the next day. The next day. Yesterday will be changed into the previous day. The previous day. Next week will be changed into the following week. The following week. Day before yesterday. Day before yesterday will be changed into day before the previous day. Previous day. You have to learn these things.